Hello everyone, my name is Ahsan, and before I started to invest in the stock market in the beginning of this year, I was pretty scared to invest as I thought if there was a big fluctuation in the market I would lose all of my money. Even though I knew what stocks and ETFs were, I was still scared to invest in the market. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can learn to invest in the stock market using simulated money. But before I continue, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and share this video with your friends if you like my content. For novice investors, simulated investing is a great way to learn about investing. You can learn the basic concepts of investing, how you can buy stocks, sell stocks, buy ETFs, sell them, get an idea about the market volatility, about earnings, and the effect of real world situations on the stock market. In this video, I will be telling you about trading 212 and more specifically their simulated trading. You don't even have to register, you just install their app and start learning. First, you have to install the Trading 212 app from App Store or the Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and you'll come to this screen. Here, as you see, the first option is start with virtual 50,000 euros. So you click that, and here we have two options of Trading 212 CFD and Trading 212 Invest. I will not go in the detail for Trading 212 CFD because that has some more complex components to trading, and in this video we will be sticking to the basic concepts. So you click Trading 212 Invest. Now you can start to learn about investing by simulated investing. So once you click on the pie icon, you can create a pie or browse ETFs or stocks. The pie option is an interesting one, but I will not recommend using that as this app is based in the UK, and being in Germany using this app might be a little bit difficult as you have to do your taxes yourself, and I will not recommend using it if you are a beginner. So instead of the pie, we will go on browse stocks and ETFs. Here we can have a look at a list of stocks in the watch list, top winners of the day, top losers, popular stocks, US stocks, UK stocks. The list is very long. If you have a specific stock in mind, just click the search icon. If it's a stock or an ETF, here we will have a look at Tesla. Right now the current price is 409.35 for a single share. So today it has lost about 1.75%. But for this example, if you want to buy probably 10 shares of Tesla, we write down 10 shares. So this will cost us around 3,468 euros. We say OK. And we click review order. Once we do that, we see the order type, number of shares, costs, commissions, and then we click buy. So our order of 10 Tesla shares has been executed. Now if we go back on our pie chart, here we have 10 shares of Tesla. So how about buying ETFs? So we go to the search bar, we click ETFs, and then let's go in the most popular one. Here we can have a look at Vanguard S&P ETF. The price is 51 pounds 418 cents. We can have a look at the day value, the weekly value, the monthly value, year value. So we just click buy here, and let's see how much 100 ETFs cost. So let's select 100 ETFs, click review order, and we can now click buy. Now we have bought 100 stocks of Vanguard ETF. This you can test your skills and invest virtually in the companies that you are interested in. Have a look at how the market reacts, how the stocks are working, buy different stocks that you're interested in, the ETFs that you're interested in, and learn a little bit and play around with this app for a little while and see if you are still interested in investing in the stock market. The biggest benefit of using this app is also the downside for using it. as this money is not real and you're not having any emotional attachment with this money. So even if you lose a large amount, or even if you lose the whole 50,000 euros, it will not have that emotional response that you might have if you lose even a small amount of money. So I would say be careful and think, if you are comfortable, then start investing with your actual money. In order for you to invest in real money, you'll have to open a brokerage account. I have made a couple of videos on how you can open a brokerage account with Trade Republic and with Comdirect. I'll link those in the description below. I've also made a video giving an overview of how you can start investing in Germany as an expat. I really hope that you like this video. If you want me to make a video on a specific topic, don't forget to write it down in the comments below. Please like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bleib gesund.